Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I want to share one of my favorite look. I call it Berry Crush because I mainly use Bordeaux color for my eye makeup, combining with some burgundy and deep purple. So let's get started. I am priming with this purple skin primer from BECCA, which is my new favorite, that brightens up your skin instantly. Next, I'm using this tinted makeup base from Paul & Joe. This product really helps my makeup to stay longer. For concealer, I'm using the Shape Tape from Tarte. I feel like this texture is a little bit too heavy for me, so I make sure to apply only a thin layer, and using a sponge really helps to blend more evenly. Next, I'm moving on to the foundation from uemura, also one of my favorite products. This foundation is very lightweight and breathable, but has an amazing coverage. To set my makeup, I'm using the pressed powder from Tilbury. This is one of my most recommended pressed powder, and the one that I would definitely put in my purse every day if I'm going out. For highlight and bronzer, I'm using this palette from Decay. This is also a very convenient to-go contouring palette to take with if I don't want to put too much stuff in my purse. The key of the contouring is to be light and fast. You want to repeatedly brushing it onto your skin, but not too much each time. For eyebrow, I'm using the eyebrow powder from Kate. You will soon notice that I use a lot of product from this brand simply because they're so good at making stuff for natural and nude looks. The only downside is that most of their product I cannot purchase in the US. I first draw the shape of my eyebrow with a line brush and then use a small brush to soften. Next, I'm using this small but very useful eyeshadow palette from Kate to draw on some brown base over my eyes. Today for this makeup look, I'm using this cherry palette from Decay. First, pick a matte pink and sweep over the eyes. And don't forget to also apply some under the eyes too. Next, use a slightly darker pink to only draw over the tip and the end of the eyes. Use a smudging brush to keep rendering. But keep the rendering area small, as close to the eyes as possible. Next, add some dark pink for the lower eye corner too. Take your time to spread it out evenly. Next, I'm using a burgundy color to deepen even more by the eyes. But this time, I'm using the tip of my brush to draw along the line of my eyes. Using a light pink to blur into the colors. Next, I'm using the dark brown to draw my eyeliner. I'm using the black eyeliner pencil to draw along my waterline. Next, I'm using the brown eyeliner from the same brand Dolly Wink, just dragging a little bit long only by the end of my eyes. I don't want my eyeliner to be too heavy today because the eyeshadow is kind of already getting the job done. And then this step is very important. Draw on some fake lower eyelashes with the tip of the eyeliner. And next, I'm just curling my eyelashes. I keep coming back to this eyelash base from Kate for literally every video I've made so far because it's so good. I'm using the MAJOLICA mascara today. This product doesn't really give too much volume, but it does a super good job in longer the eyelashes. Next, I want to add some sheer and glossy feel onto my lower eyelash line. I'm using a sponge tip because it's easier to apply this way. Next, I'm using this product from Kate that I believe is exclusive in Japan. I bought it when I traveled there last year and I just love it so much. It's perfect for creating a fake crease since the brown is really light and it looks super natural as well. I'm already having a hooded eyelid here, but this pen makes it look even deeper. For the blush, I'm using this cute little cheek puff from Clinique. The color looks pretty dark and I was really skeptical at it too when I first used it. But turns out it blends into my skin color so well and the color is actually pretty unique. Now this step is very important. Use the eyeshadow brush and dip some blush over the higher part of the cheekbone. Make sure it blends well with the eyeshadow color. For the highlight, I'm using this one that's the collaboration of MAC and one of my favorite YouTuber, Pony. I have to say this highlight really exceeds my expectation and beats most of my highlighting products. It's super shiny and shimmery and creates a perfect glow. I like to put on some highlights on my jaw, the tip of my nose, and my upper lip. And now for the lip. For the base color, I'm using this maroon lipstick from Coffee Odor Grand. It's also from Japan, and I just love how creamy and rich this color is. I'm applying with a lip brush and only on a small inner area of my lip. Now I'm dragging a little bit more over the corner of my mouth. Here I'm using another collaboration product from MAC and Pony. This is a darker matte lip gloss and a little bit purplish. Finally, I'm adding a little bit more glossy finish with the NYX Metallic Lip Gloss. And that's it for the makeup. Now let's move on to curl my hair. I'm going to use the wig today and I'm going to show you how I make my buns. So first I make 2 ponytails, and then I make some tiny buns. Now this magical wig is working like a sock, so just wear that over your own buns and that's it. It's super easy. And now I'm adding some accessories and this look is finished. If you like it, please give me a thumb up, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel. I hope you're having a wonderful day and I will see you next time. Bye!